How to fix WhatsApp messages not received on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp messages not received on Android phone. First, go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type WhatsApp and click on it. And first click here for stop this one, click on it, and then click storage, clear cache, and go to permissions, enable all of those here, storage, phone, everything here, just enable it. And then go to data usage, enable background data, maybe you'll find it like that, or also mobile data, then just enable it. And then just close all the applications in the background, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.